Hey guys, Bill at Power Hungry here. It is Saturday, August, what is it? August 8th? 9th? Man, how the time flies. Day 3 here at CNC, and we're here with Corey and Chris, and Vinny hanging out over there in the background. So we've spent the last couple of days here doing some training, working on the bus. Actually turned out really well for 4 hours of taping and 3 hours of painting. I really can't ask for much better than what we've got out of this. So we still have a little detail work to do on it, the Orion logo, the stars and stuff, just to give it a little better scene. Angela did a great job on the mountains. So we're getting ready to head out of here and start heading towards Mount Rushmore. Still have to get the camper closed up, the Bronco attached, but we'll probably be out of here in about 20 minutes. But overall, it's been a great visit here. People here have been fantastic. Ethan's race truck, street truck, hit 3,000 horsepower. 3,000 or 3,500 for Ethan's truck. 3,500 horsepower, and that's an absolutely accurate number. Yeah. Yeah, that was the 4-wheel drive launch, which was really quite impressive. So anyway, thank you again, guys, for letting us monopolize your facility, and we're gonna go hit the road. And thank you guys so much. So we're gonna get finished up packing here and get out, heading out and hit the road. So stay tuned for tomorrow's adventures. At some point we should hit Mount Rushmore, but we'll see how that goes. See how much driving we get done today. Anyway, we'll catch you all later.
So plan for the day, drive as far west as we can.
Yeah.
And then we'll find a Walmart or something to stop in.
Try not to get shot while we're in Chicago.
We're skirting through quickly. Just
much the same way we're going to skirt through Sturgis.
Yes, quickly. Vinny, I'm happy to drive the bus. Happy to.
You want to take a break?
If your back needs a break.
That depends entirely on the bus is not the problem.
It's the roads.
If the roads are nice, I can drive that thing all day, no problem.
Yeah.
Like going through Kentucky was a dream until we hit Louisville, and then it was you guys.
I don't know. I think we all had a good time.
Yeah. Of all the places to get stuck on an extended stay, this was really cool.
Yeah.
Really cool.
Super cool town.
Yeah,
Good
I love
people.
this town. This town's so much fun. The third rail was a blast.
Yeah.
I could do that again. John and Chris were fantastic, and when we come back, I look forward to spending a little more time over there, watching the trains go by.
I wish Brian was just slightly bigger to where we could get like a Home Depot or a Lowe's or something.
Yeah.
But
We have Walmart though,
just
right?
for the convenience, yeah.
Yeah.
But Defiance, next town over, is that where they got a Menards and a Lowe's.
Nice.
And it's not much bigger. It's only maybe a few thousand more people.
So we're gonna have to see which way we're heading out of here. I haven't even looked at the map out yet.
I
don't know if we're going back to the same way we came.
Well, if you're heading west, the turnpike is just north of
Oh,
20
okay.
minutes.
Okay, yes.
So
we're just gonna head
hop on and go.
Okay, I was gonna say because we have to go back through.
No, we should be going.
What's its name?
Oh, Sherwood?
Sherwood.
Yeah.
And I said that might be a disaster.
Yeah, probably not.
Not on especially not on a Saturday. Man. That's
How are the roads on the turnpike?
I don't know. I'm a tightwad.
Sure.
I don't pay the extra $5 to go on the turnpike. I'd rather stay on Route 6 and just do 55 and cruise and enjoy. I'm usually not in a hurry to go anywhere. Yeah.
Everybody's fed and coffeed and.
I might grab a couple bottles of water before I go into this.
Please do.
What are you getting there, Angela?
Airbrush kits. Airbrush stuff.
To finish up the bus.
The bus, we painted, first the guys painted it blue, and then I took cardboard and ripped it and made the black, well, wait, first we did the blue, then I made a lighter blue and put it on the back where the mountains were gonna go. Then with black, ripped cardboard, made the mountain range, and now we're gonna do like our logo and a bunch of stars in the night sky, and I need a fine airbrush tool for that. So Hobby Lobby it is for airbrush supplies.
Excellent.
Marker pens, for anything.
And marker pens.
Perfect.
Just in case.
Just in cases.
Let's see. So we are in Minnesota. So south of Minneapolis. So we're stopped for the night. This rest area looks like a nice, safe, clean spot.
All right, today is day
5.
I don't know, it's Saturday. And the beauty of traveling in an RV is you can stop anywhere. So here we are.
Stop. At a
Stopped.
rest stop in Minnesota.
The lovely Minnesota rest stop off the side of the highway
Just slightly west of Winona.
with the cleanest bathrooms. They have flowers on the women's restroom counter. It's lovely.
Cleaner than Buc-ee's?
Well, just different. It's
Just
different.
a different clean.
It's rest stop. Pretty and clean and lovely. But yeah, here we are in somewhere Minnesota,
somewhere in Minnesota.
camping at a rest stop because we can and we will. So yay, wish us luck.
So anyway, get some rest tonight and then off to Mount Rushmore tomorrow.
If we, yeah, we're not gonna say anything. It's fine. It'll be fine. Anyway, but yep, on our way tomorrow.